This exercise is called Name, Feeling, Mime, and this is how it works.
All you have to do is to ask the participants to stand up. So this is how I'll give the instructions. Please stand up in a circle, and all you have to do is to say your name, an emotion of how you feel, and the gesture to express how you're feeling right now. So for example, I'm Anka, excited. So everyone now repeats, Anka, excited. And afterwards you can give the word to a participant in the left or in your right and encourage them to say their emotion clearly and the gesture. It's very important to use a gesture because it also helps people to move around and get a bit energized. I would also pay attention to the emotions that the participants say, for example, if they feel tired or tense, stressed, and so on, in order to adapt the training course accordingly. I usually make eye contact with the persons who are, say they're tired or maybe nervous and so on, in order to give them encouragement. Keep the atmosphere fun and light, and it will help the atmosphere of the training course to be productive and interesting for the participants. So your energy will set the tone.
Here is an example.
Gaby, curiosa.
Gaby, curiosa.
Tati, ansiedad.
Tati, ansiedad.
Beleza, feliz.
Beleza, feliz.
This exercise encourages connection and interaction. It facilitates group cohesion and memory. And it gives the facilitator a feeling of the motivation and energy levels of the participants.